Decision control structures. For example, to decide whether to increment the wages of an employee based on some condition requires decision control structures like if and if else. We want a set of instructions to be executed in one situation and a different set of instructions in another situation. This is dealt in C programs using decision control instructions. There are two types of decision control instructions. They are if statement and the if else statement. Let's begin with the if statement. The syntax of the if statement is: if the condition is true, execute the statement. If the condition is false, skip the statement. The conditions can be expressed using relational operators. The relational operators allow us to compare two values. Next is the if else statement. The syntax of the if else statement is: if the condition is true, execute the if part of the statement, else execute the else part of the statement. For example, x value is initialized to be 4. If x is equal to 2, print x is equal to 2, else print x is not equal to 2. The flowchart of if and if else is as follows. Next is the nested if. Nested if is one which consists of set of if conditions, else if conditions and else statements. Loops. Repeating some portion of programs either specified number of times or until a condition is being satisfied is said to be a loop. There are three methods by which we can repeat a part of program. One is using for statement, next using while statement, and next is using do while statements. First is the whiles loop. The syntax of the while loop is: while test loop counter with condition, set of statements, increment the loop counter. If the test expression is true, the body of the while loop will be executed. If the test expression is false, the loop will be exited. Next is the for loop. The initialization statement takes place only once in a for loop, and if the test expression becomes true, the body of the loop is executed and the value is incremented. If the test expression is false, the loop is exited. The syntax of the for loop is: for initialize counter, test counter, increment counter, and set of statements. Next is the do while loop. The do while loop is one where the loop statements are executed at least once even if the test expression is false. The syntax of the do while loop is: do, set of statements, and while condition is true. Next is the break statement. When the break statement is used and the test condition is true, the further statements inside the loop is terminated. Next is the continue statement. When the continue statement is used and the test condition is true, the statements inside the loop is executed along with the loop. Switch statement. Switch statement is one which consists of set of cases and one default case. A case is one which consists of set of operations and a break statement. Default statement is executed when any of the case does not match with the test expression.